Welcome to 50 Sisson Lane, a gorgeous 4-bedroom raised bungalow with 3 washrooms situated on a corner lot in the waterfront community of Port of Newcastle. A lower stone facade, yellow siding, and white fencing gives this home wonderful curb appeal, and a glass-paneled front entrance is the befitting entry into its beautifully appointed living spaces. Oak stairs and railings with wrought iron pickets carry to both the main and lower levels, and showcased throughout the open concept main level is dark hardwood flooring and large windows with California shutters. Flooded with natural light, the living room is also brightened by a contemporary chandelier and enjoys views of the neighbourhood park through its windows. Giving this entertaining space access to the kitchen is a butler's pantry complete with a full wall pantry, as well as additional cabinetry storage, a tiled backsplash, and a granite counter. The kitchen also has tiled backsplashes and granite counters, as well as a stainless steel range with gas cooktop and dual ovens, dishwasher, and side-by-side fridge freezer. The cabinetry in this gorgeous workspace has extended height molded uppers, and the center island has breakfast seating, a double sink, and beautiful pendant lighting. Both the breakfast area and the great room showcase a vaulted cathedral ceiling, and the great room has the additional warmth of a gas fireplace, while their west and north-facing windows allow for abundant natural lighting. The sliding door walkout in the breakfast area steps down to a fully fenced backyard with seasonal and evergreen trees providing privacy and natural beauty, especially while relaxing in the hot tub or entertaining friends and family on the spacious patio. Enhancing the openness of this level are the extended height of the pantry entryways, the graceful arched entry in the main hall capturing the brightness coming from the foyer, and the columned wall cutout in the great room, while abundant natural lighting, bright modern light fixtures, and a light neutral color palette throughout also contribute to the airy atmosphere of this level. The side hall off the great room leads into the master suite, a superb personal space that showcases a generously sized bedroom with a west-facing window and which has plenty of room for a sitting area. The ensuite washroom has a relaxing spa-like aura to it and features tiled finishes, a vanity with double basins, a corner tub, as well as a glass shower. And to complete the master bedroom is a walk-in closet with organizers. The main level also features a powder room with a tiled floor and pedestal sink, 2 closets off the staircase landing, as well as garage access from the tiled foyer. And this home additionally showcases an interlocking walkway to its covered front entrance and a cobblestone driveway to the attached garage, adding to its curb appeal. Bright and very spacious, the fully finished lower level features laminate flooring throughout, a light neutral color palette, and large above-grade windows, as well as 3 good-sized bedrooms, a 5-piece washroom with a tiled floor and bath area, as well as a vanity with double basins, ample storage, and a large family recreation area. Across the street from Pierce Farm Park, and a short walk to walking and hiking trails, a beach, the Newcastle Marina, and the Samuel Wilmot Nature Area, Newcastle's urban centre is 6 minutes away for everyday shopping needs, medical and banking services, as well as recreational and sports facilities, while access to Highways 401 and the 115 for commuting are also short drives away. Thinking of selling or buying? Call Shiv Bansal at 416-704-7448.